a couple of my students have had some trouble getting the ones in the middle to look different from one another, the values in the center. So I wanted to show you one way that I use to fix that. And keep your dark values dark and not getting too dark. Okay, so I'm going to start layering again, but I'm going to shade across the darkest dark and the medium dark. That way they both get darker at the same rate. Okay, I'm going to do another up and down line across. Okay, then now this one's looking nicely darker than that one. So now, yeah, these are still too similar, so I'm going to shade across all three. So all three of these are getting a little bit darker at the same time. And I can, if I need to, I can go darken this up a little tiny titch more. And then I'm going to go across those four. So each step is getting darker at the same rate. Getting the same amount of graphite layered up on top. And those two were pretty, and the rest are pretty good. This one could be a little bit lighter, but it's not bad. So now I have, just by layering up across all 4 or 5 at the same time, then I know I'm keeping these darker than the first one, because I'm layering up on top of those as well. Okay, that's how I fix it when my values are a little bit too close together. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.